Welcome to Will Study Point online classes. Student, if you are watching my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And for more updates, press the bell icon. Okay, student, today we will study the poem Dust of the Snow. It was written by the poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet. He was a great poet. He generally deals with the topic of common people and topic of modern time and common experiences of daily life. And this poet was born on 1874 and lived up to 1963, and during this period he wrote many famous books and many famous poems also. It is one of his famous poem, Dust of the Snow, and this poem brought him a great or famous prize, Pulitzer Prize. And through this poem, the poet is telling us that at different interval of time there comes the happiness and sorrows in the human being's life. Okay, how does he tell us? So let's see. The way a crow is shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. And the poet is telling us that it was the season of winter and it was snowing all around, and top of the trees and the houses were covered with snow, and the poet was standing under a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree, student, is a poisonous tree, and the poet was standing there, and his earlier time of the day has been wasted. He did nothing that day, and when he was thinking all this, in the meantime, a crow came from somewhere and sits on this hemlock tree. And because of the motion and the movement of the this crow, some dust of the snow falls on the poet, and suddenly the poet feels very much better in his heart and mood. That is written here: has given my heart a change of mood. When the dust of snow, or we can say the snow, falls on the poet feel much better in his mood and his heart become glad. And saved some part of a day I had ruled. Here the poet says, earlier I wasted my day in sorrows and grief, but later when this event came, what? Some dust of the snow came on me. I feel suddenly some jolliness, or we can say spirit of happiness in my mind, and my heart become full of cheerfulness. Okay, so this was all told by the poet in his poem. So main idea of writing this poem, the poet want to say that different interval of time in human being's life comes sorrows, and the second time there comes happiness, and this is the part of human life. Student, let's see the questions given in this book with this poem. This poem present a moment that seems simple. Yes, it is quite right. The moment given in this poem, the moment, or the, you can say, event given is simple, but a larger significance. Larger significance means larger importance. It happens with everyone when someone is standing under a tree. So it might happen that a bird may come from somewhere. As soon as the bird sits, and the snow may falls on him. It may happen with everyone. But what is important in this poem? Importance is that through this topic, through this event, the poet is trying to tell that our mood, or our mood, or the part of our day, or the part of our life may change at some interval. Earlier, at one time we may be full of sorrows and suffering. Other time we can become full of happiness or cheerfulness. That he want to tell through this event. And let's see what's question one. What is the dust of snow? Dust of snow, student, is a dust of snow is a very small pieces of snow that falls in the form of snow. What does the poet say has changed his mood? Which thing has changed his mood? The falling of dust of snow due to the motion of the crow has changed his mood. He has become full of cheerfulness, and his heart has become glad. How has the poet's mood changed? This is the answer. He is now full of happiness, cheerfulness, and full of, you can say, spirit. His spirit has been uplifted, you can say. Next, second, how does the Frost present nature in this poem? The poet present this nature. How does the poet Frost present nature in this poem? The nature has been presented in a simple and natural way. because it is natural event that take place at some places of the earth. The following questions may help you think of the answer. Yes. What are the birds that are usually named in poem? Generally in poems, poet use the birds like cuckoo bird, nightingale bird, and a lark bird, because these words have a melodious sound. They don't use birds like crow and others. Do you think crow is often mentioned in the poem? No, I don't think. It is rarely mentioned in the poem. What image come to your mind when you think of a crow? Crow generally symbolize the ill things. So ill image comes to my mind when I think of a crow. Next, again, what is a hemlock tree? Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. It is the symbol of negative things. Why doesn't the poet write about the more beautiful trees such as a maple tree or oak tree or pine tree? Because the poet want to convey the idea that at one time the people may have sorrows or suffering or sadness, grief, regret, and full of people may be full of depression. And other time there comes the happiness, cheerfulness, pleasure in their life. So hemlock tree is a poisonous or negative tree. So from negative to positive, he want to convey the idea. That's why he has used the tree hemlock. Why does the crow and hemlock represent? Crow and hemlock represent the sorrows. That is negative thing. What does the dust of the snow that crow shakes off a hemlock tree stands for? Dust that crow shakes off stands for change of mood. That is, it stands for the towards the happiness, cheerfulness, and pleasure that comes to poet's mind, and his heart become full of gladness. Have there been times when you feel depressed or hopeless? Yes, it happens. It happened to me also when I feel depressed and hopeless. Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? Instead, you can tell any one event, or you can make it imaginary. It was my birthday, or that day I took the maths exam, but when the paper was over, I was not very much happy. I became sad because I was not able to perform the best in my maths exam. And but in the evening, when my parents brought me a surprising gift and celebrated my birthday, my mood totally get changed, and I became full of happiness and joy. And in this way, I get the change of time or mood that day. So this was all about the poem and the question, student. So keep watching my channel, and if you have any comments, and please write that. Any queries, write it. I will try to answer your queries. Okay, thank you.